Yeah.
You want to try to say it in Danish?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Like having a conversation. So.
In 2002, Hey was founded in Denmark. The goal was to create high-quality, affordable products made for the evolving needs of everyday life.
At Hey we do furniture and design for many different environments. At home, professional spaces, public spaces, and all the spaces in between. We have always tried to focus on the people who is going to use the products. And we have always tried to design products for the life they live.
I have always been very passionate about everyday objects. I love to work on products that we have in our hands every day, and I love to bring those items into our industry. For me, everyday life is my biggest inspiration.
In the name of innovation, Hey works with the best international designers to experiment with new materials and technologies. And rather than look backward for inspiration, Hey looks all around, seeking references in art, architecture, and even fashion to keep pace with the world.
What makes Hey very unique is that they have managed to stay one step ahead of the zeitgeist in terms of form, color, language, and innovation.
I think there is a very clear goal here. We want to do objects for everybody, furniture for our friends that are not rich people. Almost a modest thing, but in a very delicate, sensual, sensitive way.
The aesthetic of Hey is welcoming. It has the energy of a new brand. It has the speed of a small brand.
It has not always been so accepted to use a lot of colors in the design world. It's been a lot of black, gray, and whites. When I showed the colors of the Kaleido tray, I had picked 9 colors, and Mette just said, let's do all of them.
It's the combination of a certain amount of naivety and craziness of both Mette and Rolf that fascinates me. It's this kind of jumping into unknown waters without fear.
Since opening with a staff of 3, Hey has grown into a multinational company with stores on 4 continents. Today, it maintains its creative headquarters and flagship store, Hey House, in Copenhagen. But you'll find Hey products in homes, offices, restaurants, hotels, and public spaces around the globe.
I think the world was waiting for Hey. That's what the world needed because of the practical, functional, well-designed products that really elevate life.
Excellent.
Thank you.